is why it's important to film before you get on the roof. And we haven't even got onto the roof yet. All of our tools are still down here. I brought the GoPro up because I always like to document with the GoPro as I'm getting on the roof, just to, you know, liability reasons. And this is kind of one of the reasons right here, is because I noticed that, so I need to let her know before we even get up on the roof. Dang, there's another one. Okay, we gotta be extra careful, boys. Holy cow, man. Two more. Shoot. Dang, more. Jeez. It's a brand new house, bro. That's the worst, man. Dang, even more. Dude, these guys tore this roof up, dude. On the roof, I don't know if you can see it. Holy smokes, dude. So this was a $225 solar panel cleaning job that should have only taken me like 45 minutes to complete, but we ran into quite a few roadblocks on this one. And later in this video, the customer will come out and she gives us the full story on why there was so many broken tiles. But before we get too far in the video, I do want to mention that we have filled the first 100 seats to the Solar Cleaning Academy, but we've decided to keep the promo going for 25 more people just like you, people that are looking to increase your weekly income by at least $1,000 and only working part-time. So use the code SOLAR1 to save $100 while you still can. The Solar Panel Cleaning Academy, it gives away all my knowledge that I've gained after cleaning literally thousands of panels, starting with nothing but a brush and a squeegee. So sign up today, skip all the guesswork, skip scrolling Facebook groups forever, and skip all the YouTube videos. I've consolidated everything that I know into an easy to follow format, and you'll have access to all the updates that we do to the course from here until forever. So click the top link in the description and start cashing in tomorrow. And seriously, working an extra hour a day per week, you can make $1,000. Now let's get back to the video. And today I was nervous because I was hoping that all the roadblocks I ran into weren't going to set the pace for the whole day. Luckily for me, it just set the pace for this one particular job, because while I was trying out my brand new 18-inch roller, it just broke. So I had an issue with attaching my new 18-inch brush onto my water-fed pole, because my water-fed pole, the attachment on the end, the male end, is actually an Acme thread, but the new brush that I got is actually Euro thread. So for me, I bought a little adapter. It was a 3D printed adapter. I'm not gonna shout out the brand or nothing because it failed a bunch of times. So many times, in fact, that the supplier determined he's not gonna carry them anymore. He ended up making it right with me and we got it going after this, but it was a different day. So the second job that we did, we had to kind of use the old method, which luckily for me, I got some backup tools. I was able to make like a Frankenstein rig out of two of the poles that I had in the truck. So I kind of went back, grabbed my manual brush, and just decided to attach it. You can see me here, I'm like trying to study it, figure out like, why is there a way for me to attach this? Luckily for me, I was able to attach it. You can see it there. There's the new Pure Water Power brush. So we got out old trusty dusty with the old aluminum poles. Luckily I had extra line in the truck, so we were able to just run some line to the brush, and I kind of just had to hold it, but it worked well. Pretty soon here, the customer actually comes out and we go over all the broken tiles. I wanted to let her know that I had video, and she actually gave us the lowdown on why there were so many broken tiles. And I was nervous because when there's so many broken tiles on a roof like this, it makes me nervous, and I got to be extra careful walking around because it tells me that they're brittle or cheap, because I've noticed these days a lot of this new construction, these brand new houses, sometimes they skimp on the materials. They don't use quality materials on the build, or the homeowner doesn't pick it. But either way, I was definitely afraid that I was gonna break so many more tiles while I was up there. Luckily for me, I didn't. However, there were like 6 broken tiles. Another cool thing on this job that I figured out, I mean, I had 2 bad things, but then some good things came along towards the end of the day. But I'll go over those in a different video. One was basically I did a job and both neighbors on either side of the house ended up hiring me the same day, so that's always cool. So I think like the main takeaway from this video is if you are able to, which I'm sure most of you are, take your phone or a GoPro or a drone and make sure that you film yourself getting up onto the roof. That way, if you do see a broken tile, you have video evidence, and then you're not responsible for it. Because a lot of times solar installers will break the panels and they're not going to say anything, and it's kind of hard for you to defend yourself without some kind of proof. So if you can, get you a camera and record. So the customer came out and we started talking about the broken tiles. Hi, turns out your neighbors are my old neighbors.
I saw that they liked me on Facebook, so I was like,
Oh, cool. So hey, I got a bunch of video of me walking up here. You got a couple. I don't know if it's from your husband or from these guys who installed. You got a few over there, but I got it all on video. I can show you once I get down.
It's probably my husband.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. The only one, there's only two that look like it'll cause you like problems in the future, because some are cracked, but they're cracked to where there's still another tile underneath. There's this one here, and then there's one like over there, and then I could totally glue them for you. I can get the supplies and come back and do it for you. Yeah, a different day this week. I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted. Do you guys know if you have any extras? Okay, I'll just probably put new ones in then instead of gluing them. That'd be easier and better. So I don't know about you, but for me, I'm perfectly comfortable like replacing some tiles. You know, I'm a homeowner, so it's something I've had to do in the past. And it's really simple. They have products out there. You can get them at a hardware store or like Home Depot or Lowe's. And you can just glue them suckers back together. It's pretty quick drying. And then that way, it'll prevent any kind of water, rainfall, or weather getting into their attic and then leaking through and causing them problems on the inside of their house. So if you do see broken tiles, make sure you let the homeowner know. That's the best way you could do it. And make sure you have video footage of yourself going up there. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to, subscribe and put lucky day in the comment section, because I think that today might have been one of my luckiest days. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.